Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear cookies in Google Chrome on Honor 200 Pro. To clear cookies, go to Google Chrome. Let me just go through the configure, OK. And click on the three dots in top right corner, History, then click on Clear Browsing Data. You can clear browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, as well as saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. I'm gonna uncheck browsing history and cached images and files and only leave cookies checked, and let's select a time range of all time. Then clear data. Now the history you can see isn't cleared, but my cookies have been cleared. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.